Get your driving gloves on. We have a 1969 Chevy Nova Pro Touring. This thing is set up to carve up the corners. Full ride tech steering and suspension. It has the rear speed tech torque arm. Built 406 under the hood. We got a stack of paperwork, dyno sheets, over 400 horsepower. You got the racing seats with the belts, air conditioned. Still a car you can get out and cruise. It's a 5-speed. That 5th gear out on the highway is going to be nice. I got a lot more to tell you about. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Right out of California. I'm told it lived in California and it has its original sheet metal on the car. Obviously, a cowl hood was added. They didn't come with those, but it is a metal hood. Lines up nice, square, straight. The whole car is very straight. Real clean fenders. They eliminated any antenna, any emblems for a nice, smooth, clean look. It is straight. It lines up real nice and square. There's no rust, no bubbles, no damage. All the jambs are painted up real nice. Shuts real nice and solid. The roof is nice and straight. All this is clean. All looking good. Trunk panel too. All nice and square, smooth. No rust, no damage. This rear panel's all smoothed out. And this side's just as nice. No issues with the body at all that I had seen. All clean, straight, square. Shuts real nicely. This is a special color. It's off of a Corvette Z06. It's a Watkins Glen Gray, it's called. It's a deep charcoal metallic. The metallic's all laid out evenly. It has a little bit of blue. I see a little blue or green sparkle in it too. And then the silver with the red outline, smooth to the touch, I think really just livens it up. I think it looks great. Good original glass. The windshield looks like it's new. Unfortunately, it did pick up a little stone chip right there. The trim has all been blacked out. Looks like a semi-gloss black, but the grille, the moldings, the bumpers. We have a carbon fiber spoiler down there. We have LED headlights. The wipers, the stainless moldings, and none of it's chipped up. I don't know if they're powder coated or what, but they're all nice, clean black. The door handles. Got some custom billet mirrors. Look at the stance. Those are some nice Forgeline wheels. 18s in front, 19s in back. They're extra wide in the back. They're wrapped in some performance tires. Tires aren't worn down all the way, but they're getting a little thin up here on the corner. Back tires got a lot of tread. So in the near future, it'll need tires, not today. Got the stripe painted on the back. Again, the moldings, bumper, all blacked out. So it's a really good looking car, great stance sitting on those wheels. Let's open it up. We're just getting started. All right, we got a nice clean trunk compartment to show you. Underside painted slick like the car. The jambs are real nice. Still has the numbers stamped here. They said it's original metal. Maybe it is. Weather strip is new. So inside is clean metal with a nice, neat spatter finish paint. And it comes with a big bag of money. Now these bars here are part of the cage that's inside, which I'll show you in just a minute. That's a nice clean trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. Yeah, the jambs are painted nice. Weather strips are replaced. The sill plates are blacked out. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, that's all replaced. The inside trimmer on the vent windows blacked out. Now the dash pad is new. The whole instrument bezel is custom. I love these gauges. Look how they light up. Isn't that cool? The needles light up and just nice, bright, clean gauges. Vintage air controls. This is all nice and clean. The AC vents are neatly installed. Carpet's laid out real nice. There's a real nice 5-speed billet shifter and bezel around the bottom. Now these are Pro car seats, and it comes with the full 5-point harness. It's attached to the bar behind us here. These seats hold you in place. That's what there's a design to do. When you're going around the corners, you're not sliding around. And with these belts on, you'll really be snug. And the belts are easy to use too. Now in back, this is called a RideTech Tiger cage. And yes, it offers safety for rolling over, but something I just recently realized, they also add a lot of stability to the car. And the way the car is going to handle and corner just makes everything more rigid. So this bar, this whole thing's bolted in. It could be taken out. You could take out just this bar if you really wanted to if you're going to be using the back seat more often. So in back, it's all reupholstered. The seat, the side panels, the rear shelf is Alcantara, and so is the headliner. It's a one-piece custom headliner. And the visors and the pillars are all Alcantara. This mirror actually matches the mirrors out on the doors. We got Budnick steering wheel with the tilt column, some custom pedals. Also has American Auto wiring harness and the push-in fuses. That's all updated. So I think it's a pretty cool interior. Not a roll cage fan, but I like this one. It's pretty cool. Still very functional. So we have the receipts. Again, we have a stack of paperwork. There'll be a picture of that on our website. Motor is completely rebuilt by a performance shop. It's a small block 400, now bored out to a 406. It's been balanced and dyno tuned. The horsepower was, I think, in the 430s. The torque, I think, was 450s or 460. Illuminati Voodoo cam, Edelbrock intake, a Holley 650 carburetor, MSD ignition system, Sanderson coated headers. I like the matched valve covers and air cleaner. We got an Optima battery up here. We got an aluminum Griffin radiator with dual fans, electric fans. The whole front runner system's all modern. It's all blacked out. You got air conditioning. You got serpentine belt, modern alternator, modern Holley power steering. We have a Hydro Boost brake system. We have these really nice billet hinges. I love those. They look nice and they just function so nice and smooth. And then the engine bay has been sprayed in a real durable bed liner. Michael's going to show you how this thing performs, and we'll see you back in a couple minutes.
Tucked away in this tiny little engine bay. It's got a 406 under the hood. It's dyno tuned at 411 horsepower. It does come with the sheet as well. Nice Borla exhaust on here, sounding fantastic. And we got the Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Nice to have those extra gear, a couple extra gears there. Go out and cruise this one all day long. It does have vintage air as well. Make for a nice, cool, easy ride on those hot summer days. Power steering as well as 4-wheel disc brakes. And that does have the Willwood Hydro Boost Master on there, which is a very nice upgrade. As are these gauges that they put up here, just very easy to read, very practical. Oh yeah, and the tilt column too. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to oh gosh, 70 with no problem. We were only trying to do 60 there. Bounce it down in 5th gear. Man, does this thing switch lanes real nice. That's supposed to have an aftermarket steering gearbox on there. This thing's literally handle on rails. Let's see here at 60 miles an hour what the revs are. Yeah, it looks like we're approximately 2,000 RPMs at 60 miles an hour. And this thing is set up nice and tight. Really got like a sports car kind of feel to it with all the aftermarket components on there. Check out all the details at volocars.com and come take it for a test drive if you feel so obliged.
So here's the receipts I keep talking about right on top of the dyno sheet. 411 horsepower, 456 pounds of torque. This will go with the car. A lot of work done underneath this car. It's a body off the frame. Every component was removed. Floors are all nice and solid. It's sprayed with this bed liner material, real nice and durable. And it's a full Ride Tech suspension. It has the strong arms, tubular control arm setup. It has the muscle bar as their sway bar up front. It has Ride Tech True Turn steering system. It's all their components. It has their coil-over adjustable gas shocks. In back is a 4-link Ride Tech system with tubular control arms, their coil-over gas shocks, panhard bar, and it has a Speed Tech rear torque arm. That's the middle arm that's attached to the rear end. So all set up for maximum handling and performance. All the bushings, the body bushings replaced. Stainless steel exhaust with Borla mufflers with turn down tips right by the rear end. A complete upgraded Willwood disc brake system. It has drilled and slotted rotors. They look to be good size. Up front it even has 6-piston calipers. The fuel system was replaced, and I noticed under the hood all premium fittings and lines. You look up at the motor, it's an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter. It's a Tremec 5-speed. It has, I think it's a Zoom clutch I found in the paperwork. A custom drive shaft leads back to a Dutchman 9-inch rear end. It's a heavy duty rear end with posi gears inside. So yeah, this thing is set up to handle and perform. Don't be intimidated though. This is set up to really handle, but it's set up to go cruising too. That's what I like to do. I like to know that it's there. I like to get on it once in a while, but I like to go cruise. I like to go get ice cream. You can go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions like how you're going to get your Nova delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.